If you own a 2001 Ford E350 cutaway van with a utility body, there is a service bulletin regarding the installation of rear brake shields that you should be aware of. The issue stems from debris kicked up by the front wheels accumulating on the rear brake pads. This accumulation can lead to premature wear of the brake pads and a reduction in overall braking performance. The solution outlined in the service bulletin involves the installation of a metal shield over the rear brakes. The shield is designed to prevent debris from building up on the brake pads, extending their lifespan and maintaining optimal braking efficiency. According to the service bulletin, Ford dealers should be aware of this issue and provide the necessary shield installation at no charge under the factory warranty. However, if this repair is not covered under warranty, it could potentially cost around $500. It is important to take action if you have not yet had your rear brakes serviced on your 2001 Ford E350 cutaway van. Contact your local Ford dealer and specifically inquire about the service bulletin related to the rear brake shield installation. Be prepared to provide them with the details of your vehicle, including the year, make, and model, so they can accurately assess its eligibility for the service. When you speak with the dealer, emphasize that you are aware of the service bulletin and are interested in having the shield installed to prevent debris from affecting your rear brakes. It is crucial to ensure that the dealer provides the shield installation as per the service bulletin. This will help you avoid potential braking issues and the associated costs of premature brake pad replacements. The installation of the rear brake shield involves a few key steps. Firstly, the vehicle needs to be properly lifted and secured, ensuring a safe working environment for the technician. Secondly, the rear wheels are removed to provide access to the brake assembly. Thirdly, the technician will clean the area around the rear brakes, removing any existing debris or contaminants that may have already accumulated. Fourthly, the metal shield is carefully positioned and secured in place. The shield is designed to fit snugly around the brake assembly, providing maximum protection against debris. Fifthly, all mounting hardware is properly tightened to ensure the shield remains securely in place. Sixthly, the rear wheels are reinstalled and torqued to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, the vehicle is lowered, and a final inspection is performed to verify that the shield is correctly installed and does not interfere with any other components. During the installation process, the technician will pay close attention to several key areas. The proper alignment of the shield is important to ensure that it effectively deflects debris away from the brake pads. The secure mounting of the shield is also crucial to prevent it from coming loose or vibrating during vehicle operation. The technician will also inspect the surrounding brake components, such as the brake lines and sensors, to ensure they are not damaged or obstructed by the shield. By carefully following these steps and paying attention to these key areas, the technician can ensure that the rear brake shield is properly installed and provides long-lasting protection against debris. The rear brake shield itself is typically constructed from durable materials such as steel or aluminum. These materials are chosen for their ability to withstand the harsh conditions of the road, including exposure to moisture, salt, and other contaminants. The shield is often coated with a protective finish to further enhance its resistance to corrosion and wear. The design of the shield is also carefully considered to maximize its effectiveness. It is shaped to deflect debris away from the brake pads while allowing for proper ventilation to prevent overheating. The shield may also incorporate features such as drainage holes to allow water and other liquids to escape. When selecting a rear brake shield, it is important to choose a product that is specifically designed for your vehicle. This will ensure a proper fit and optimal performance. Aftermarket shields are available from various manufacturers, so it is important to do your research and choose a reputable brand. If you are unsure which shield is right for your vehicle, consult with a qualified mechanic or parts specialist. Maintaining the rear brake shield is relatively simple. Periodically inspect the shield for any signs of damage, such as cracks or dents. If you notice any damage, replace the shield as soon as possible. You should also clean the shield regularly to remove any accumulated debris. This can be done with a brush and some soap and water. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners, as these can damage the shield's protective coating. By following these simple maintenance tips, you can help ensure that your rear brake shield provides long-lasting protection for your vehicle's brakes. In addition to preventing debris buildup, the rear brake shield can also offer other benefits. It can help to reduce brake dust, which can accumulate on your wheels and other vehicle surfaces. It can also help to improve the overall appearance of your vehicle by concealing the brake assembly. Furthermore, the shield can provide an extra layer of protection against road hazards, such as rocks and potholes. These hazards can damage the brake components, leading to costly repairs. By installing a rear brake shield, you can help to protect your brakes from these potential threats. The service bulletin mentioned earlier is a communication from the vehicle manufacturer to its authorized dealers. These bulletins are used to inform dealers about potential issues with specific vehicles and to provide instructions on how to resolve those issues. Service bulletins can cover a wide range of topics, including mechanical problems, electrical issues, and safety concerns. When a service bulletin is issued, the manufacturer typically provides detailed instructions on how to diagnose and repair the problem. The manufacturer may also provide parts and labor reimbursement to the dealer for performing the repair. Service bulletins are an important resource for vehicle owners and technicians. They provide valuable information about potential problems and how to fix them. If you are experiencing a problem with your vehicle, it is always a good idea to check with your dealer to see if there is a service bulletin related to the issue. You can also find service bulletins online through various automotive resources. However, it is important to note that service bulletins are not always a guarantee of free repair. The manufacturer will typically only cover the cost of the repair if the vehicle is still under warranty or if the service bulletin specifically states that the repair will be performed at no charge. To summarize, if you own a 2001 Ford E350 cutaway van with a utility body, take the following steps to address the rear brake shield issue. Firstly, contact your local Ford dealer. Secondly, inquire about the service bulletin related to the rear brake shield installation. Thirdly, provide the dealer with your vehicle's information. Fourthly, schedule an appointment for the shield installation if your vehicle qualifies. Fifthly, ensure the dealer installs the shield according to the service bulletin. Sixthly, periodically inspect the shield for damage and clean it regularly. Finally, enjoy the benefits of improved braking performance and protection.